Hi everyone, welcome back to Nobel Pets. I just wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you for supporting the channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or just discovering us, your views, likes, comments, and shares mean the world to us. Because of your love for our furry, feathery, and scaly friends, we've been able to grow this amazing community of animal lovers. It's all about sharing the joy, love, and happiness that pets bring into our lives, and I couldn't do this without you. Thank you so much for being a part of the Nobel Pets family.
Welcome to my YouTube video channel named Nobel Pets Dogs. In this episode 1 we'll discuss with you about the reality of owning a dog, its merits and demerits from various perspectives. Owning a dog is one of the most rewarding and life-changing experiences a person can have. Dogs are often referred to as man's best friend, for their loyalty, companionship, and unconditional love. However, alongside the joys of dog ownership come significant responsibilities and challenges. To better understand the reality of owning a dog, this essay will explore the merits and demerits from various perspectives, including health, emotional well-being, finances, lifestyle adjustments, and social dynamics. Health benefits and concerns. One of the most widely recognized advantages of owning a dog is the positive impact it has on physical health. Studies have shown that dog owners tend to be more active than non-owners, as dogs require regular exercise. Walking, playing, and engaging in outdoor activities with a dog can improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of obesity, and lower blood pressure. Additionally, the companionship of a dog can decrease stress, anxiety, and depression, contributing to improved mental health. On the flip side, owning a dog can also present certain health concerns. Dogs, like all animals, can carry parasites, bacteria, and viruses that may be transmitted to humans. Zoonotic diseases, such as rabies, leptospirosis, and Lyme disease, are a risk, especially for those who do not maintain proper veterinary care. Furthermore, individuals with allergies to pet dander may experience worsening symptoms in a household with a dog, leading to respiratory issues. Emotional and psychological impact. Dogs are known for providing emotional support and improving the mental well-being of their owners. They offer companionship, which can be especially important for people who live alone or suffer from loneliness. Dogs have an innate ability to sense human emotions, providing comfort during times of distress. This emotional connection is beneficial for reducing feelings of isolation, and studies have suggested that dog ownership can boost serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain, promoting happiness and relaxation. However, the emotional demands of dog ownership can also be challenging. Dogs require constant attention, affection, and care, which can become overwhelming for owners who lead busy lives. The loss of a dog, whether through illness, accident, or old age, can also be devastating, leading to intense feelings of grief and loss. For some people, the emotional toll of losing a beloved pet may outweigh the psychological benefits of ownership. Financial implications. The financial costs associated with owning a dog are significant and should not be overlooked. These expenses include the initial cost of acquiring the dog, whether through adoption or purchase from a breeder, as well as ongoing costs such as food, grooming, veterinary care, and pet insurance. Routine veterinary visits for vaccinations, flea and tick prevention, and health checkups can quickly add up. Additionally, emergency medical treatments, surgeries, or medications for chronic illnesses can be financially burdensome. Pet owners must also budget for other expenses, such as toys, bedding, collars, and leashes. In some cases, professional dog trainers or pet sitters may be necessary, particularly for individuals who work long hours or travel frequently. Boarding services during vacations also add to the overall financial commitment of dog ownership. For some people, these costs may become a strain on their finances, making dog ownership impractical in the long run. Lifestyle adjustments and time commitment. Owning a dog requires significant lifestyle adjustments and a major time commitment. Dogs need daily exercise, playtime, feeding, grooming, and companionship. Puppies, in particular, require extensive training and socialization, which can take months of consistent effort. Housebreaking, leash training, and teaching basic commands demand time, patience, and persistence. For individuals with busy careers, frequent travel, or unpredictable schedules, meeting a dog's needs can become difficult. Dog ownership often requires a more structured routine, as dogs thrive on consistency. If left alone for long periods, dogs can develop behavioral issues such as separation anxiety, excessive barking, or destructive tendencies. For individuals who enjoy spontaneous travel or have long work hours, the time and attention a dog requires can conflict with their lifestyle, leading to stress and frustration for both the owner and the dog. Social dynamics and community interaction. Dog ownership can enhance social interaction and community involvement. Dog owners frequently connect with others during walks in the park, at dog-friendly events, or through social media groups. This sense of community can lead to new friendships and provide a support system for sharing advice and experiences related to pet care. In many cases, dogs act as social icebreakers, facilitating conversations between strangers and promoting a sense of belonging. On the contrary, dog ownership can sometimes strain social relationships, especially when the dog exhibits undesirable behaviors. Aggressive dogs or those that are not well trained can cause tension with neighbors or visitors. Additionally, friends or family members who are fearful of dogs or have allergies may feel uncomfortable visiting a home with a pet. In shared living spaces such as apartments or condominiums, noise complaints from barking or restrictions on pets may lead to conflicts with landlords or other tenants. Environmental impact. Lastly, the environmental impact of dog ownership is another factor to consider. Dogs contribute to waste production, both in terms of food packaging and the disposal of feces. Improper disposal of dog waste can contaminate water sources and spread disease. Additionally, the production and transportation of pet food contribute to the carbon footprint associated with pet ownership. While these concerns are often overlooked, they do play a role in the broader conversation about sustainability. Conclusion. In conclusion, owning a dog comes with a mix of rewards and challenges that vary from person to person. The physical and emotional benefits, such as improved health and companionship, make dog ownership appealing to many. However, the financial costs, time commitment, and potential health and social concerns highlight the responsibilities involved. Before deciding to bring a dog into one's life, it is essential to carefully weigh the merits and demerits to ensure that the decision aligns with personal circumstances and lifestyle. Ultimately, for those willing and able to meet the demands, the bond formed with a dog can be an incredibly fulfilling and life-enriching experience.
Thank you, Speech. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already to stay updated with all our future content. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our adorable pet videos. As always, we love hearing from you, so drop a comment below and let us know what kind of pet videos you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep showing love to your pets, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.